I knew you were going to come there. I was just shooting here waiting.
I didn't see you yet.
Yeah.
I didn't see him, so I saw moving. Oh, shit, stop.
I was getting ready. That was about 3 seconds, and I was going to throw a grenade in that door. Are you hit? Hey guys, or no?
Hit. Let's go. Come on. There's a second one.
I know. Just keep pushing them. Go, 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 run, run. Hey, everybody, stand up and run. Go, now, everybody go. Keeping firearm to keep their heads down is the key. Watch for bombs, by the way. Go. Yep. Keep moving up. Look how far back you guys are to where we're at. Keep going. Move in a line. Screw it, they want to let me move? I'll move.
Wait, gun shots count, right?
Jeff, run into that forward operating base and both of us can respawn.
Okay.
Come up here to that right there. Hey, do we have to have somebody there, right? Okay, Jeff, if you run over here right now, all three of us can respawn. Hey now. Hey now. You guys are all in the fort. Nope.
No, they got pushed back. Yeah, I'm gonna make a flag so you can raise a flag instead of having to have somebody here.
Yeah, that'd be cool. It's like a pulley with like red, blue or something.
Yeah.
You say you had another pair of goggles because I can't shoot prone.
I don't. They're in the other ones.
Oh.
Just kneel if you have to.
So what's the plan then?
We're gonna push. We need to all be pushing. We only had me and him forward. Like we were all the way up to like 2 trees from the actual fort. Is that a guy pushing on the left? Hey, don't be ducking behind cover. Shoot him. Get your heads out and shoot at him. He's pushing on you. He's getting you out of there.
Whoa.
Coming for you, sucker. All right, you guys, push, push. Hi there. Back out.
I with you guys. Very far.
All right, hey, you in the red hat.
Yep.
So you two switch spots.
Get
Did I just get hit?
I don't know.
I'm not sure if it hit the tree or if it hit me. It was loud. All right, you ready?
No.
Gun issues or fog? Okay. When you stand up. Okay, straight ahead this way. See where I'm pointing?
Yeah.
You looking right here?
Yeah.
Okay, there's a tree and a little barricade. You're not gonna have the range. So you just watch this way. Make sure you don't push it. You're gonna stand up and shoot. Okay. Shoot at the top of the fort. Okay, on a 3.
Straight that way?
No, left. Up over this barricade.
Okay.
3,
Yeah.
2, 1, shoot. Okay, duck. See how we did that? We shot and moved. One shoots, one moves. Who knows? Oh. Hit. Wait a second. What team are you on? Did you start in the village? Okay. Well played, sir. Well played. Yep. No, I'm just making sure. Nicely done. Nicely done. Did you get hit? Nicely done, dude. Hey, he's out. He's out. Hey, sit down. I thought I heard one hit my back, but I wasn't sure, so I turned around and looked.
You should be the one wearing the skilly suit. Huh?
You're still alive? You're okay.
You got nobody left.
All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Back to the respawn. Yeah, no, we can't see shit.
Careful, don't go off there. They're gonna.
Oh, I'm going for them. If we sit here, they win.
Oh. I'm pinned down right now. I have nowhere to go. I'm stuck in here. Yeah, they're right in front of us. If we can get them, we got this. But if not, we'll fuck. My thing won't reach.
I know you can see me. Shit. Well, I gotta move it. Push him. God.